Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your Samsung S25 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and in those settings, scroll down until you see battery. Now here you will see a battery usage and you can see view details just to see which app takes the percentage of the battery. So as you guys can see, there's not a lot of apps. This phone has just been freshly set up, so there's not a lot of apps here, but still you guys can check it if you're using your phone on a daily basis. Now what you guys can do is go over and select an app. For an example, you can view it even more, and here what you guys want to do is go to background usage limits first, and you definitely want to enable put unused apps to sleep. Now here we have the deep sleeping apps. So for an example, Avatar stickers and the Galaxy Avatar. So these are both the apps I will never use, so I don't need them. Here we can click on the plus button and of course select another app. So for an example, I do not use Facebook. If I don't want to uninstall it but just want to put it in a deep sleep, I can just add it right here. Now Facebook is here, and here we can check our sleeping apps. Here we can also add them, or here never auto sleeping apps. Here we can add apps that will never sleep. Now if you have any bloatware on your device, so apps that you do not want or do not need, then you can easily uninstall it. So for an example, what I count as a bloatware is those things from Microsoft, and here we can basically click uninstall on them. We can uninstall it, and we can do the same for, let's say, LinkedIn, of course OneDrive, and M365 Copilot. So this is how you guys can uninstall the bloatware. Now what you guys want to do next is go over and go to the Play Store. Here we want to download AccuBattery, so we will see for any errors, we will try and find them. So type in AccuBattery, and here we just want to install it. Ignore the first app, the Ampere Flow, make sure that it's AccuBattery. Click install, and the results here won't be instant. You will have to wait at least a week, and after you click open, then you will need to go over here, and here we need to set our battery design capacity. So this is where you put your milliampere hours. Now we can go and click finish. It's loading the libraries right now, so all we have to do is wait. Now as you guys can see, here we have the battery life estimates, and it's pretty hard to tell because as you guys can see, we use data from the last 7 days to calculate the estimates. So yes, we need to wait a couple of days, and after that you will see everything here. So like this combined use, you'll even see the average battery usage in an hour and full-time battery estimates. Here you guys can go over to health, and as you guys can see, we need to discharge and charge our phone to 100% without using it. And here we will have our battery health and estimated capacity. So we need to actually discharge it, then charge it a couple of times, and then the results here will be accurate. Here we can also check the history of our battery, so battery wear, the battery usage, how many we charged, and the efficiency. After that, what you guys want to do is go over and restart the phone. So hold the power button only, now tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, if the issue still persists and it's still on your phone, then what you guys can do is go over to the authorized company service. So maybe these are just overheating issues and they need to look into it, because everything we did should definitely stop your battery from draining. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.